Is the American withdrawal good for Iraq? Not for this part of the country or another part of the country. Is American withdrawal good for Iraq? And I can think of a very strong answer of yes, and I can think of a very strong answer for no. So to get you started on your debate, which hopefully you'll pick up on, let me start with the yes, that the withdrawal, the military withdrawal is good for Iraq. The presence in the country, by and large, of so many American troops was very unstable for the country. It was roiling. The idea that American troops would sit throughout the country was reminiscent of colonialism, and we weren't particularly good at it. And that for all the negatives that comes with the withdrawal, it's a good thing to pull that source of tension out of the country. I can think of an equally compelling argument to start off with that no, it's not good for Iraq, particularly because the way America is now set up is political engagement and military engagement are sadly intertwined. And that as America withdraws militarily, it withdraws politically. And given that reality, having the American presence here may have been a good thing. Now, I put that out there because I think it's very easy to bemoan one side of that or the other. But I think a real hard think and a real debate about how you as a community of students come out and you as individuals and the ramifications for that view would be very useful.